Google just buried maximize clicks and manual CPC in their auction, and they're hoping that you won't notice. Most advertisers think that all bidding strategies get equal treatment in the auction, but I've got data showing that Google is secretly feeding the best traffic to smart bidding campaigns, while maximize clicks and manual CPC is getting the scraps. In the next several minutes, I'll explain why this is happening, and I'll give you an exact strategy to turn this into your competitive advantage. Here's what no one's talking about. While everyone fights over the bottom of funnel keywords with smart bidding, there's a massive opportunity sitting right in front of you. It's research stage traffic. Look at this. While competitors bid $15, best CRM software, you can get how to choose CRM software for much cheaper at $2. Same audience earlier on in the journey, and here's the key. You need to nurture them all the way through to conversion. Google doesn't want you to know this, but their auction algorithm has bias. I've ran identical campaigns, same keywords, same match types, same negatives, same ads, same budgets, and the only difference was bidding strategies. The smart bidding campaigns are getting 60% more conversions attributed to those campaigns, while the maximize clicks and manual CPC is getting way less results. How do I know? I've tested this across 8 different niches, lead gen and e-commerce. So why does this happen? Google makes more money when you use smart bidding because they control the CPCs. So they feed high intent users to campaigns that are using conversion-based bidding. So smart bidding equals higher conversion rates, which equals more revenue for Google because they control the CPC. Now, knowing this, you might think that you should abandon maximize clicks and manual CPC. And that's exactly what Google wants you to think. But I have 3 solutions for you. First, instead of competing where Google wants you to lose, you build a different game. You capture users at the research stage before anyone else, and then you guide them through your funnel over weeks or months. So while your competitors pay premium prices for bottom of funnel, ready to buy traffic, you own the entire customer journey for way less. So how can you do this? You leverage the feeder strategy using maximize clicks, manual CPC at the top of the funnel, and maximize conversions, target CPA at the bottom of the funnel. That way you're capturing users earlier, which gives signal to the algorithm and will favor your ads over others due to the simple fact that users were already on your website. The second solution to older bidding strategies getting suppressed in the algorithm is using the second iteration to the Google feeder strategy. It's where you replace the maximize clicks campaign with a maximize conversions campaign, and this way you're feeding higher intent users throughout your whole funnel. This again is typically when you have a lower search impression share, and this is because Google is cherry picking out converters and giving them to your competitors while you're just getting the clicks. The third solution is actually just going fully maximize clicks and manual CPC and get rid of smart bidding as a whole. You'll want to stop reporting conversions to Google and measure your overall revenue to ad spend. Your CPCs are probably going to be a lot lower because Google is no longer inflating the CPCs due to the conversion value that you're reporting to them. Here's your action plan. First, audit your current keyword list. For every bottom of funnel keyword, find 3 to 5 research stage variations. So for best email software, you'll want to do how to choose email software, email marketing guide, email software comparison. Second, check your search impression share. See where you are on the graph. If you have higher search impression share, lean towards manual. If you have lower search impression share, then you'll want to lean towards smart bidding. Third, create separate campaigns for each stage of the funnel. Don't mix research and purchase intent in the same campaign. Different intents need different messaging. And fourth, build out your nurture system. Landing pages that educate, not sell. Email sequences that provide value first, and remarketing that guides users down the funnel over time. Look, Google is just optimizing for their bottom line. So once you understand the game that they're playing, you can use it to your advantage. While everyone else fights over the expensive and competitive traffic, you're building relationships with future customers at a fraction of the cost. The advertising landscape is changing fast, and brands that win are the ones that are adapting the fastest. So you now know something that 95% of advertisers don't. Use it. I've put together the diagram on how the auction works in this new ecosystem and videos on how to implement the different variations of the feeder strategy. So if you want to check that out, click the link here.